I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and navigating straight to Displays or Accessibility. This is where Ubuntu controls screen scale and fonts. Once there, review the current scale and resolution because they determine pixel density and effective font size. A higher scale increases all UI elements. Make sure you note whether your session is Wayland or X11, since some tweaks differ. Now, prepare to change scale or font options. These first adjustments give immediate, predictable increases in text legibility. Once done with the settings overview, adjust the scale to 125% or 150% for high DPI screens to enlarge all interface elements. Then open the Fonts panel to change the interface, document, and monospace sizes. Raise them from, say, 11 to 14 for clearer text. If you need finer control, install GNOME tweaks to enable fractional scaling and tweak font hinting and anti-aliasing. This optimizes clarity without massively altering layout. To finalize, log out and back in or reboot, because some scaling and font changes require session restart to render correctly. For advanced fractional scaling, use xrandr commands or G settings to set custom scale factors, which lets you fine-tune between standard steps. If text appears blurry after changes, make sure fractional scaling isn't forcing integer scaling emulation. Instead, try toggling hinting or anti-aliasing in GNOME tweaks. You'll quickly restore crisp text by reversing the last tweak, then applying a different hinting option.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.